Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Hadien khandai Snem kenti ka Jylla menta kalayo Biang sayo we usamla uban syakri haka Kyrdan Indian Administrative Service. Hadien baka Union Public Service Commission kalapan benaya ka result jong ka examen civil service hakala asngi ublay. Uni usamla ya ubalatip kerteng kemuan kordas uday ubasyong basa ha jail road Shalong. Bat uday ukun jong UHK das Assistant Commissioner Balasyong Tan jong ka Central GST bat ka Indrani das. An kordas arpeu nyaw Snem karta. Ulawan haka Kyrdan kabasan pauar habaro ka wekari haka tay ka examen jong Snem arhajar arpeway.
So I'm born and brought up in Shillong. I did my schooling from St. Edmunds and my high secondary from Army Public School here. Thereafter I went to MD Noida for my graduation. I did my BTech in biotechnology. And thereafter I graduated in 2017 and thereafter I've been preparing wholeheartedly, full time.
Habayakran bat unong san Hima. An kordas ulaong ba ngula mudder kamtam banwan haka Kyrdan kabasan pauar habaro ka wekari. Sngo kumenru kata bat ukmi lenti banyo syakri haka Jylla lajong.
To be honest, it feels surreal. It still hasn't sunk in. Rank 52 definitely is something that needs time to get used to. But of course, yes, it feels good. It feels good that your hard work has paid off after so long, and I look forward to being here and serving the state. So I think the biggest skill set that is required for the civil services is consistency. It's a marathon, it's not a sprint. So you can't really study 12 hours a day for 2 months and clear it. It requires at least a year because the process itself is a year long and then you also have to prepare a year. So consistent hard work across at least 2 years is required to clear the examination.
Ule thu baka don kam banyakun ya ka take examen kalong ka jingyay ne namar ka don kam ya ka jing pendet jing mod daki Snem. An kordas ubalapas ya ka take exam hadin sansin yakun. Ulaong baka way nakidaw baki samla ka Jylla kimpoy siya katong. Kaday namar ka jing bombiang ki jingtem siya pang ka civil service. Utay usamla ulaong baka don kam banyo iki jingtem ki basyay bat don kam ru yaki coaching center knang ban kadaw lenti yaki samla.
The UPSC, in my opinion, is one of the fairest organizations in the country. There is no, there is nothing out of the box. It rewards hard work, it rewards smart work, and it requires full-hearted dedication, especially the civil services examination. So if you give it all you have, there is a chance that you might get where you want to be. The biggest lacune we have here is the lack of awareness. Many of our youth are not even aware of the civil service. Even if they're aware, they don't know the process. So we probably need more awareness at the grassroots level, probably at the college level. Apart from that, there has to be more coaching centers, of course, so that the youth is directed and guided in the right path. And apart from that, a competitive culture has to be developed in the state, not just in terms of UPSC, also for the joint entrance engineering exams and the medical entrance exams. So whenever there is a competitive culture, right from the school level, we've seen that people have done well, especially in states like Bihar or maybe UP. So like I said, I would like to come back and serve the state. And we've seen there are many indicators, especially human development indicators, where Meghalaya is not doing well. And being a primarily agrarian society, we need to work at the grassroots, we need to work at the village level, we need to empower women, we need to empower our youth, and I think that would lead to an increase in our economy and the human indicators in general.
Nalor kani kamen semya khun kaday bandon hapok ka Jylla omtang haka UPSC Henry ki examen engineer examen pule doctor nalor ki way.
For everyone who's looking to prepare for the examination, I'd say you need to be hardworking. Of course, nothing beats hard work. But at the same time, you also need to work smart because an exam like this has no fixed syllabus. They can ask you anything under the sun. But you need to be smart. You need to see which parts are more likely to be asked in examination. That is there. And of course, like I already said, consistency is the key. Consistency has to be there, hard work and of course smart work.
Hagawi kaliang UMLA kanot Shalong ba adal bon nongrum. Haba ay kublay ya an kordas halor kate ka jingjam. Ulaong ba kani kalong ka jing ay mensium yaki way pat ki kun samla ka Jylla. Banya kun yaki examen CSE. Shosho MLA ulai kublai yaki kmikik pa jong u an kordas. Kibaladon ringkat hasenda jong u bat kershan yu uban poisha kane katong.
So ni koni shop awan haniga family jong angkodas banai kublai kamta banai mensiam yani ka jing job ko jing iba poisha ni katong kabolong ka jing ai mensiam na ka banta ki wei par ki kon samla kamta mo po state ka jongi ha ka bede bar ka pos IS kam de ka basuk ni dong kam ni thram ni sliam bani po state ka jongi ba ni don ki priula jong kanang bangila ya ka ban don po ki administrative post bangila ban don ki priula jong na po ka state ka jongi ba ngai ka burong do kamta be ka resident jong ka Jylla Road Brockway. I'm here as a local MLA to congratulate the family of Ankur Das, who had be by his side and stood by his side and supporting him till he achieved this milestone. So his achievement is meaningful in one way, as we are just passing through the 50th anniversary celebration of our statehood. So I do hope with his achievement, it will motivate other youth that if he himself can, why others cannot. So if we can put our mind, heart and soul and dedicate ourselves, we will surely be in a position where we want to be. Especially in our state, we need many newcomers, new youth to achieve such a goal, so that we can see the light of a new Meghalaya, as we are just celebrating the 50th anniversary. So congratulations once again, Ankur Das.
Thank you,
and
sir.
all your beloved family, especially your parents who had been and stood by your side.